Hot. The truth behind how to help regenerate strong bones and joints after 2 weeks thanks to DiGoSure Nut Milk, which is trusted by thousands of joint pain patients, elderly people and people with joint injuries. Miss Guy Grabayman recovered from joint pain after 3 years without surgery. Miss Felicia Mercy no longer has back and knee pain and after 1 month can jog normally. Mrs. Della Paz can walk around the house and bathe herself. Mr. Tia Fistolinas can walk 2 kilometers. Mr. Sdong eats well and sleeps well, no longer has joint pain at night. A series of feedback was given. Improved joint pain after 3 weeks. Reduced knee pain by 50%. Used 6 cans and feel good effect, so I want to order 2 cans more. Reduced joint pain up to 80%. Can walk comfortably without any problems.
This is not only a great solution for people facing bone and joint issues, but also a perfect choice for general good health. DiGoSure pioneers the use of 100% healthy plant-based protein. Supply an abundant source of vitamins, minerals, and omega-3/6 oil for the human body. The combination of 5-Loxin with Aquamin F helps to boost the effects of calcium supplements, osteoporosis prevention, and bone degeneration. Just 2 cups of DiGoSure per day, patients will regain their flexibility and be comfortable in their movement without any concern about joint pain.
Ginamit ko ang 2 lata ng gatas na DiGoSure at hindi na ako nakadama ng pamamanhid ng aking mga braso at binti, pamumulikat o sakit sa bituhod. Pagkatapos kong gamitin ang 5 lata, ay makakalakad at makakagalaw na ng malaya.
Before, I really cannot move. I cannot even lift my foot, but now I can. I was able to take a bath by myself, go to the bathroom by myself. That really helps a lot because I could move.
Parang bumilis na yung kilos ko sa amin. Nakakalakad na ako magmula sa amin ang sa trabaho ko eh. Malayo, mga 2 kilometro din sa amin. Trabaho ko din. Kaya malaking improvement talaga.
Pagkatapos lamang ng 1 buwan ng paggamit, wala na akong sakit sa likod. Maliksi na ang aking mga kamay at paa. At nakakagalaw na ako ng komportable. Ngayon, nakakalakad na ako ng tulad ng normal na tao. At nakakatakbo sa isang bagay na hindi ko magawa dati.
Nakaka-epekto rin siya. Medyo lumakas ang katawan mo.
Po, bibigyan, salamat.
Thank you because there is a product that could help our bones. All the senior citizens can use this to help live a good life.
Super sale for joint pain patients and the elderly. Cheaper price, bigger gifts. Buy 3 get 1 can free. Buy 5 get 2 can free. Order now.